Honeywell Muncie, Indiana site was founded in 1916 with the Maxon family brand. Today, our Future Shapers manufacture industrial burners for a variety of heating use cases, driving efficiency, safety, reduced emissions in industries worldwide. Applications include everything from dog food manufacturing to drying the paint on your car, heating commercial spaces, and HVAC systems. When you're at the grocery store, you'll likely be picking up some of your favorite products that are made possible by our burners, from oven-baked pizzas, packaged sweets, to boxed macaroni and cheese. Our Airstream dryers can turn liquids into powders for shelf-stable products such as protein powder, baby formula, and drink mixes. We have technology which dries freshly washed eggs with forced air so as not to cook them inside the shell. When you're on a morning coffee run, our burners help roast the beans, dry the ceramic mug, and bake your breakfast pastry. At Honeywell, we always look ahead to help our customers stay ahead of the competition. We are pioneering next-generation low-NOx and hydrogen-ready burners to help industries reduce emissions, meet their environmental impact goals, and contribute to a lower carbon footprint.